For decades, humans believed machines would replace physical labor first, factory work, heavy industry, repetitive tasks. But something unexpected happened. Artificial intelligence started entering creative work, writing, design, coding, research, even decision-making. And suddenly, millions of people began asking the same question. What happens when machines can think faster than humans?
Welcome to NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, a documentary-style channel exploring how AI, technology, and digital systems are reshaping business, work, human behavior, and the future of society. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant concept. It's already becoming part of daily life. AI writes content, generates images, automates workflows, analyzes data, and helps businesses operate faster than ever before. The question is no longer whether AI will change the economy. The question is, how far will it go?
In this episode, we'll explore why AI may replace more jobs than people expect, why businesses are rapidly adopting automation, and why the future of work may look completely different from the world humans grew up in. Because this isn't only a technology story, it's a human story. Throughout history, businesses have always pursued efficiency, faster systems, lower costs, higher output. And AI offers something extremely powerful: automation at digital speed. Tasks that once required teams of people can now be assisted by algorithms. And for companies competing globally, speed matters.
Today, AI tools are already being used in customer service, content creation, video editing, marketing, coding, translation, and research. Not in the distant future, right now. And each year, these systems become more capable.
For a long time, many people believed creativity was uniquely human, but generative AI changed that assumption. Machines can now generate images, write articles, compose music, and create videos. Not perfectly, but increasingly fast. And this creates uncertainty for millions of modern digital workers. The future may not simply belong to people with degrees or people with traditional careers. It may increasingly belong to people who adapt quickly, because technology now evolves faster than institutions, and humans who continuously learn may become far more resilient in the AI economy. Not every future scenario is dystopian. AI could also amplify human capability. Small teams may build larger businesses. Creators may produce content faster. Entrepreneurs may automate repetitive work. And individuals may gain tools that were once available only to large corporations. The internet already democratized information. AI may democratize capability. But major technological shifts often create instability before stability. Some jobs may disappear, new industries may emerge, education systems may struggle to adopt, and millions of people may need to rethink how they work in the digital age. Because AI is not only changing tools, it may change the structure of modern society itself. So maybe the real question isn't whether AI will replace jobs. In many ways, that process has already begun. The real question is how humans will adapt to a world where intelligence itself becomes automated. Because the future may not belong to the strongest workers or the fastest workers, but to the people who learn how to evolve alongside intelligent systems.
If you want to explore more about AI, technology, digital society, human psychology, and the systems shaping the modern internet, subscribe to NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, and comment below. Do you think AI will mostly help humanity or replace too much human work?
This is NextNet, Inside the Modern Internet, exploring how AI, technology, and digital systems are reshaping human behavior and the future of society. Because the internet is no longer just connecting humans. It's beginning to think alongside them. See you in the next episode.